And this time, let's start with two main circles. One for the head and one for the body. Woohoo! But let's not stop there. How many circles can we use on this follow-along? See if you can count the number of circles we're drawing. Woohoo!
Ooh, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Doo-doo-doo. Ho, ho. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Now we're going to add circles for the hands and feet.
7.
This helps us to understand the size of our cuddly character.
9.
Next,
10.
let's draw the arms and legs by connecting these circles to the body. Can you guess what we're drawing yet?
Maybe.
Ooh, remember, each one of these drawings is a practice exercise aimed at helping us to draw better and to be more creative. Ooh, what about now?
Is it a teddy bear?
Woohoo! Oh, way to go! That's right, we're drawing a teddy bear. Are you still counting the circles?
11. That looks really good, Sauerpuss. Way to go!
Ooh, and now the finishing touches. Woohoo! And now we have our good old teddy bear.
Oh, isn't he a cutie?
Thank you, Penny and the Pencils. As I've said, they are always cheering me on. Woohoo!